First, let me remind you formula for integration by parts. Let me write this on the right corner. Integral of f of x times g prime of x with respect to x is equal f of x, g of x, minus integral of f prime times g of x dx. We have here multiplication, so we can use this formula. Let's see. First, I will put for x, for f of x, 1 plus x to third power, because it's more complicated, I think, where x to fourth power. So now we need to find derivative of f. So it will be 3, 1 plus x square. Next, what left? X to fourth power. So g prime, it will be x to fourth power. We need to find antiderivative of x to fourth power. This is 1 over 5 x to fifth power. You can always check when you take derivative of this function will be exactly x to fourth power. So now we have to just replace to our formula. Let me copy our integral of x to 4 times 1 plus x to third power dx. This is equal. First, we need to multiply f times g. F times g, so we have 1 plus x cubed times 1 over 5x to fifth power. Next, we have negative sign, and integral of f prime is 3 times 1 plus x square times g. G is 1 over 5x to fifth power with respect to x. We have at the beginning 1 plus x to cube. Now we have 1 plus x to second power. So we can do one more time integration by parts to reduce this expression. So let me first do simplification. So this is equal. We have to put first constant 1 over 5. Next we have 1 plus x to cube, x to fifth we have to copy, and we have negative sign. 3 times 1 over 5 we can take before integral. So it will be 3 over 5, and we have integral of 1 plus x square times x to fifth power with respect to x. So next we can one more time use integration by parts, or you can take to square 1 plus x and you can do integrals of power function formula. But let me do one more time integral by parts. So I will put now that f of x is equal 1 plus x squared. So f prime of x is equal to 2 times 1 plus x. Our g prime of x is equal x to fifth power. So antiderivative will be 1 over 6 x to 6 power. So now we can replace to our formula f and g first. So let me copy the beginning. We have 1 over 5 times 1 plus x to cube times x to fifth power minus, we have to copy 3 over 5. Now we will open brackets, and now we have to just substitute to our formula f times g. So we have 1 plus x square times 1 over 6 x to 6 power minus, and we have integral of f prime is 2 times 1 plus x, and we have g is 1 over 6 times x to 6 power with respect to x. This is equal. We have to close brackets. So now the beginning we need to copy 1 over 5, 1 plus x cube x to 5th power minus, and let me copy first 3 over 5, and in brackets we can do simplification. First I will put 1 over 6, next we have 1 plus x to square x to 6 power, and now we can reduce 2 and 6 will be 3, so 1/3 we can put before integral, and we have integral of 1 plus x times x to 6 power with respect to x. What now we can do to find this integral? We can do one more times integration by parts, or you can do multiplication here. Let's do multiplication now. So this is equal. The beginning we need to copy 1 over 5, 1 plus x cube x to 5th power, and now we have to multiply negative times positive will be negative, 3 over 30. We have 1 plus x square x to 6 power minus 1/3 times integral of 1 times x to 6 power is x to 6 power plus we have x times x to 6 power is, we have the same base, so it means we need to add exponent. Here we have invisible 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. This is integral with respect to x. So this is equal, oh, I forgot to multiply 1/3 by 3 over 5, so it will be 3 over 15. We can reduce, so it will be 1 over 5. So now this is equal. We have 1 over 5, 1 plus x cube x to 5th power minus 3 over 3, 30 we can reduce 2, so will be 10, 1 of 10, 1 plus x square x to 6 power, and we have negative 1 over 5, and I forgot to change the sign because we have here negative times negative, so here we will have positive 1 over 5, and we have integral of sum, so this is equal sum of integrals. So integral of x to 6 power, we need to use power formula, so this is equal x to power 6 plus 1 is 7 over 7, I will put this in parentheses, plus integral of x to 7 power is x to 8 over 8. Of course we need to add constant. So this is my solution.